Oh boy, it's bedtime. Yeah. Ellie likes the bench. Maddie likes to sleep with her head on the wood. And Brodie just likes to slither around and play with his toys. So, yeah. Still need to figure out the people spot. But that's okay. Because that's what you do when you have Great Danes. You just figure out the people spot. No, you cannot jump. No, 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 no. No, we don't do that. No, you're too small to jump down yet. Okay, so. Good night, Ellie. You'll be climbing up on the bed shortly. Good night, Maddie. Good night, Brodie. Yep, we're all ready for bed. Jack will be in shortly. Yeah. And then Alley Cat, and then it's where do the peoples go? Well, we just don't know. But we've got very happy Great Dane spots. Love you guys. Love you lots.